All right. It's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy. Well, I decided today we're going to go out and take a look at that Madison Bridge, see how that's coming along. Really, I couldn't tell you. It was cool looking at the equipment and flying by them cranes and everything. But here we're just flowing down, going to cross the bridge. Had to come around on the Lover's Lane Road and came back to it. It says road closed to through traffic, so I figured since I wasn't going to try to go through, I probably was okay. And anyway, here we go. There's the part of the bridge that they've taken out, which, you know, we got, 18 months for them to get this done. It don't look like they're moving along real well, but maybe they are. I'm not really an expert in bridge building like I am women, children, and reindeer. Anyway, got on the other side of it and decided, hey, let's take a look at the crane and fly up a little bit closer. Now we're going to look down at them, and here we go. I don't know who made the cranes, but hey, there they are, right? Alright, so now we're looking down at the cranes. We're going to flip around, and I'm just heading back across the bridge. I decided to fly over to 3 ponds, so here we're going to fade into where I just went over to 3 ponds. There we go. And that's that first pond right there by the road. I should have been up higher, got the whole thing, but oh well. I got what I got. Didn't see no beasties or anything hiding in there, although here in a little bit I'll show you. I thought there was a guy sitting on the edge of one of the ponds fishing. Which one? Yeah, right. I think it was coming. Yeah, there he is. You see him? He's that little black dot right on the edge. I thought, who the hell's fishing in this kind of weather on that little pond? And he had to walk there. Well, it turned out it wasn't a guy, so I thought it was. And there I am flying back, so I'm going to fade over to them other 2 ponds, run alongside of the river. Now this is in the springtime. This is going to be really pretty down in there. Take a look at the ponds and see what's going on. I love it. I love it. I love it. And don't see nothing down in there any further. Let's get over there. Tell you what, this Bebop drone, it's an amazing little drone. I just kind of point it in the direction. I have to face my controller has to face it because it's running off of Wi-Fi, which I found a way to increase the range with my Wi-Fi. I just get a Wi-Fi extender in one of them batteries and plug it in and hook it up, and I'll be able to go even further. Right now, about the farthest I've had it has been a mile. I'm scared to really go too far away from it because I'm not an expert at this thing yet. I mean, I'm starting to trust the drone a lot more though. Okay, now we're going to fade in to go ahead and cross over here on the south side of Avocado. I'll tell you what, I was wanting some people to go down there and play today, but it was a muddy mess. So I'm assuming that if anybody went down there today, we'd be having to dig people out. And Dustin Staten and Barry Roberts was wanting to go down there. And you know one of them would have had to been pulled out. Just kidding, guys. Anyway, it's beautiful down there. It's just, you can see where the water's setting up. Even got a big old pond growed there. And that's right about where we were at the other day. Alright, got some tracks going through there, some more water setting around. Let's take a look at it. There it is. Didn't do no clown hunting today though, which, you know, that was just bullshit, but I had fun that day. Alright, we got some more going, looking. Where's it at? Here we go. Let's slide back over. Oh man, oh man. There's old Trestle. Tells you how far I got back on there off of that bridge. Alright. We still got some sandbar out there. I noticed there's some sandbar up on the north side by the Chestnut Bridge too, so you guys can get down there. You can still get to a sandbar if you wanted to. Alright, now what are we going to fade into here in a minute? I think it's going to be going back home to the car. There it is. There I am. There's me in the Jeep. That's where we set up at. It's beautiful. It'd be more beautiful in the spring, but I just enjoy the hell out of it. All right, I'm finishing up out here by Three Ponds and the Madison Bridge and everything. And let's jump on over to Walnut Park. I got some pretty good video over at Walnut Park. I'll give us just a second. I have to do a little fancy, transition here. And then here we are coming into Walnut Park. Oh, there's my landing pad. Yay, here we go. Now I considered flying all the way over to the ADM mill and taking a picture of their elevator leg, but I decided, nah, that's a working place, and I mean, I would feel horrible if my drone crashed into something and destroyed it. So nope, we didn't do that today. But there we go. We're just gonna fly over. It's kind of nice in there. I get to the end of this little standing water and turn around, come back is all I do. So exciting. But here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna quit boring y'all here for a little bit and let you take a look at what's going on. And video's almost over, so but you get to see what you get to see. So anyway, let's see. Here we go. We're gonna get down there. Yeah, I come over this little piece here. One of these days I'm gonna fly even further over that. I'll bet you I get a mile down the river, if not more, especially if I get the Wi-Fi extender that I'm wanting to get off of the Amazon. Hell, it's only $10 for that Wi-Fi extender, and some guys have been having a lot of good luck out of that. So, oh, see there, it's windy out today, and my stabilization, my thing got so far over, you just saw the propeller right there get in the front of it because the wind blew it to the sideways, but that image stabilization took care of it. All right, I decided, hey, why just go south and take a look? Let's see what's north of us here. Fly through these trees. Well, I'm not going to fly through them. I'm going to fly over them. But this is where it gets really boring because there ain't nothing in that field at all. So, anywho, well, you all have a wonderful day. And, la-da-da-da-da. It's New Year's Eve. You know what that means. Gonna be a whole bunch of you. If you need a ride tonight, don't hesitate to call somebody to give you one. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I kind of want to go out, but I'm kind of not sure I want to go out, so I'm just kind of trying to figure it out. My dearly beloved, she's catching up on her sleep right now. Well, probably not. She's probably having to listen to me make this damn video. But if she's sleeping, she might be good to go till after midnight tonight, which that'll be good. She bought some black-eyed peas yesterday, so we got those for tomorrow. But I'm having regular beans today. I made beans and ham out of that 18-pound pig butt I bought. Anyway, well, here we are. We're coming to the end of the video. Don't forget to hit like and hit the little bell for notifications. And I'm trying to get kind of a channel going that people are going to watch. So anyway, the end. Y'all take it easy. Bye.